going on, guys? Hope you guys are having a great day. Today we've got some headlights from Alpharex. They are the Pro Series, and we're going to be replacing the stock halogen bulbs on the 2019 F250 Lariat Sport. So during this video, we'll go ahead and do an unboxing of the new Alpharex headlights, and once I get the old halogens pulled out, we'll go ahead and compare the two and see what the differences are. All right, guys, we'll go ahead and start unboxing these headlights. So I previously opened these headlights just to check them out, make sure everything was okay. And so far everything looks good. Got a harness. I don't think there's any instructions, but this harness is supplied to, I believe, power on the daytime running light. All right, there's one headlight. Find something to open this one. All right, let's get the second one unboxed. Sorry about the little four-wheeler just running around. This thing is extremely annoying. So here is the passenger light. And this is the driver's side. Get this set up here so you guys can see them. So check out these lights. I think these are going to look great. One difference between these and the platinums is the bar in the platinums looks a little more more clear. These are more of a white solid bar, probably a little bit bigger in size too. So there's the headlights. We've also got some Hikari headlights from Amazon. These lights had the smallest base, so they didn't take up too much room going into the housing. And this is what the Alpharex comes with stock. So it's an H7 halogen bulb. These are H7 LED Hikari bulbs from Amazon. So here's a view at night. I'm going to hit the unlock button. Now I'm going to hit the lock button. So they stay lit up on high for a few seconds and then they end up turning off. All right, I'm going to show you guys the headlight output. So there's what the turn signals look like, and the headlights are on. So the Hikari LED headlight bulbs that I had purchased, the light output was just terrible, way below what I had in the stock housings with LED bulbs. So I think what I'm going to end up doing is going to a HID headlight, and I'll probably end up going with a Morimoto brand, and we'll see how that works. All right, I'm going to spin you guys around and close the garage door so you can see what the cutoff line looks like. So here's the actual beam pattern. Beam pattern actually has a really nice cut. Just the intensity of the light output is really bad, really weak. I'd probably say it's about equal to stock halogen bulbs in the stock housings. So throw those HIDs in when they come in and give it another review. So here's an update of the Alpharex Pro headlights, and it's not looking good. Whenever I go to turn on the high beams, the headlights just cut off. Here goes, lights on, high beams on, and they shut off. You can see high beams are on there, nothing there. Let go of the high beam. I'll show you again so you can see both angles. Off, on, off. That's a no-go for me. These suckers are going back. All right, guys, so that was my review of the Alpharex Pro Series headlights. Don't forget to drop a like, comment, let me know what you guys think of the video, what else I should do to the truck, and have a great day. See ya.